Hello everyone, just chilling for Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues. Mainly there was a lot of coffee buildup inside the root head, and also at the moment we descaled it, there was a lot of scale inside the boilers, and also that the old pump had given out during descaling. Here's the old pump here from 2016. So we replaced the pump, we did a full overall tune-up, replaced the shower screen and gasket, deep cleaned the solenoid valves, or the solenoid valve, root valve that's behind this wall here. Deep clean portafilter, steam wand, descaled the boiler and the piping going to the steam wand, and also, of course, replacing that pump. So now we're going to test the machine. We're going to grab a cup real quick. Here we are. And we're going to pull this portafilter all the way in with that new gasket. And we're going to start brewing. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to these machines, so it'll come out different depending on the calibration of the grinder. It's coming out a little slower, but that's fine. Usually our front grinders that we test these machines with, we run around 20 grams of coffee, so it's probably a little bit more on the higher end. So we're going to turn it off there, kind of like a ristretto. See the crema that's forming on top there. But we are going to remove this and clean the shower screen just to show how much water is coming out. Yeah, it was a little packed. As you can see, a nice steady stream coming out in the middle. I'm going to wipe down this coffee real quick. It's a hot water tap. If you want to use that, you have that here. Nice and steady water coming out. And then also steam on, so we're going to wait for the machine to heat up. Now that it's heated up, indication that the heating light is off, it's ready to be used. So we're going to turn this knob here. And as you can see, steam is coming out nice. It does have a really powerful steam on, and since it is a single boiler machine, you are dealing with a lot more water inside of the steam in general, but still really good. Turn that off. And we are going to pour some water out to kind of cool it off. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.